The risks of DIY IP protection. Are you an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or an Amazon seller? Exciting, right? Innovating, building a brand, selling your product, your ideas, your brand, your products. They're extremely valuable. But here's the thing, they're also at risk. Now some people think, hey, why not handle filing my trademark or patent application myself? Surely there is cheap help on the internet, or maybe an AI tool? But here's the catch, going DIY on patents and trademarks can be risky business. Stick around for the next 2 minutes and I'll walk you through the potential pitfalls. Pitfall number 1, trademark trouble. You thought you were thorough with your trademark search, but did you miss something important? Many DIY trademark searches fail to catch similar marks that could lead to legal trouble. Pitfall number 2, patent search slip-ups. Conducting a patent search is more complex than just a quick Google search. Miss one key detail, and you could end up with a costly surprise. Pitfall number 3, freelancer faux pas. Hiring someone without the right experience to research patents or trademarks, or to file your patent or trademark application might seem like a good deal, but it can backfire. Trademark and patent applications are complex and need to be handled by experienced professionals. Pitfall number 4, application anxiety. Filing your own IP application without professional help can leave you missing crucial steps, or worse, making costly mistakes. Pitfall number 5, renewal risks. Got your IP registered? Great, congratulations, but IP rights typically have regular renewals and maintenance. Without a pro keeping track of crucial dates, you risk losing your IP rights. When it comes to protecting your business, DIY isn't always the best way. IP is an investment, one that's worth getting right from the start. Don't leave your IP protection to chance. Reach out to the patent attorneys at BHW. We can help you build a business that will last.